Hello everyone, welcome back to Sparia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to change screen lock to pattern model on Poco C71. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who want that your cell phone become more safe and become more secure, don't need to be worried guys, because you can change your cell phone password or your screen lock continuously and simultaneously, so that your cell phone will be more safe and secure. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first is now you can go to settings menu on your cell phone like this. And then after that, now you can scroll down again, and then here now you can go to security and privacy, and then after that now you can scroll down again and go to device unlock, and then click screen lock, and you can enter your previous password, and then now you can change, and I will change it to pattern. And then you can set the pattern, and then you can draw your pattern again, and then here now you can try your new screen lock model. And as you can see guys, it works. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial, and then thank you so much for watching. See you on next video.